Today we're doing an off-Earth village in 6th grade science. What that means is, with space exploration and we're studying outer space, we're designing a village that will sustain about 100 people for an indefinite amount of time. And we're doing this with all recyclable material. So we're including the science end of it, which is just the overall science of space exploration, the technology part of it, to where they have to design something that will sustain them and sustain these 100 people. The engineering part where they're designing it and putting it all together, the arts which they're creating, and then the math for their 100 people that they have to get the science and the number of people to the number of people that are living in their village. So if they design, for example, a hospital, then they're going to need doctors and nurses and somebody to clean it up. If they design a police station, then they're going to need police officers to do it, or a fire department, or a housing complex, and they're going to need a plumber and an electrician. So it gets them to think about what it actually entails to design a whole village with 100 people, and just 100 people, no more and no less.
Right now we're making an extraterrestrial village out of recycled materials. We went for a really protected city with like the police station and the hospital being two of the biggest buildings. We have a giant mall for like anything, like food, clothing. And off in the corner, we have a power supply area where we have water, air, and electricity generated.
So the kids are bringing in, for the recycled project, they're bringing in things like egg cartons, milk cartons, orange juice cartons, boxes, little boxes, jewelry boxes, old straws that they've had, old tin cans, soda bottles, anything you can imagine. The air, most of the time they're using balloons, which is the air supply, the one-time air supply, because the criteria for it says we're going to supply them one time with water and air, and healthful living is another part of it, and so therefore they've got to design such a farm or some place to grow crops and stuff.
It's really fun because as you look around the room, there's like so many different areas people wanted to do it. Like maybe they wanted a farm over here, they didn't, or maybe someone else didn't want a farm. Or, you know, it's always so unique how they'll always have different ideas for something. So if you like just say you have to build this, but you don't have to have something here or somewhere over there, then people can really express what they want and where to put it.